Clove is a popular spice used in many cuisines around the world. But did you know that clove also offers a variety of health benefits? Hello everyone, and welcome back to Vitality Health. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the ways that clove can improve your health. From supporting your dental health to boosting immunity, clove is an important part of a healthy diet. So sit back, relax, and watch this video to learn more about the health benefits of clove. Cloves are a kind of spice that are harvested from the flower buds of an evergreen tree that is, aptly enough, also known as the clove tree. The flower buds of the clove plant are picked while they're still young and then dried. Although cloves can be found in India and Madagascar, Indonesia is the country most closely linked with the industry of clove production. Now let's take a look at some of the health benefits of cloves. Please note that while everything in this video is based on medical research, you should always consider seeking a doctor if you're in pain or discomfort. Number 1. Clove has beneficial properties for your skin. Cloves can heal your skin and help prevent acne. Cloves have qualities that make them antibacterial and antiseptic, which means they destroy the germs that cause acne and prevent new outbreaks from occurring. Add a few drops of clove essential oil to a carrier oil and use the mixture as a spot treatment. Alternatively, you may add clove essential oil to your daily moisturizer and apply it all over your face. This will allow you to get the advantages of clove. Number 2. Clove helps to combat the visible effects of aging. Did you know that clove oil has excellent anti-aging properties and is used in certain cosmetics? It helps to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines by tightening the skin and preventing it from drooping. The use of clove oil helps to enhance blood circulation, which in turn produces the appearance of skin that is more young and luminous. For optimal effects, combine a couple of drops of clove oil with your favorite serum or moisturizer, and then apply the mixture to freshly washed skin just before going to bed. In addition to curing and treating acne, one of the many benefits of clove oil is that it lightens and eliminates blemishes and dark spots that are left behind by acne and pimples. It has a gentle exfoliating effect that helps remove dead skin cells and ensures a skin tone that is even over the face. Number 3. Clove oil has many advantages for your hair. Clove oil helps to treat dandruff. This widespread scalp issue affects a large number of people, both men and women, but the precise reason why it occurs is unclear. It may be a very humiliating situation to have dandruff, particularly when the flakes fall off and land on your shoulders. Take use of the healing properties of clove oil to cure this issue. As was previously noted, clove oil has qualities that make it antifungal as well as antimicrobial. These features assist in combating dandruff and avoiding its itching feeling. If you have dandruff and a dry, irritated scalp, add 10 to 20 drops of clove essential oil to your normal shampoo and wash your hair with it. This will help calm and soothe the scalp. Number 4. Clove can help with stomach problems. One of the first treatments for stomach aches and problems connected to digestion is clove oil, which is still used today. Clove and clove oil both include eugenol, which is a component that may be used to treat digestive issues such as indigestion. Additionally, it may be used to alleviate hiccups and motion sickness symptoms. Chewing on a clove may provide relief from digestion-related concerns, such as acidity and heartburn. Instead of using medication, you could try this natural remedy instead. You could also try drinking a cup of tea with a few of the cloves in it to help alleviate the symptoms of indigestion. Number 5 is that it can help in relieving headaches. Instead of reaching for a bottle of pain reliever when you have a headache, consider going to your kitchen and making use of cloves' beneficial properties to obtain some relief from the headache. The flavonoids in clove oil include anti-inflammatory chemicals that have a cooling impact and reduce headaches. Clove oil is a good pain reliever because of these properties. To get fast relief, just combine 4 drops of clove oil with a pinch of salt and apply the mixture to your forehead. Number 6. Clove enhances one's resistance to illness. Because a healthy immune system may keep a number of potential health problems at bay, it's highly suggested that we include foods that can improve our immunity into our diet. Cloves include an antioxidant that may assist in the strengthening of the immune system and protect it against cardiovascular diseases, as well as viruses. It does this by boosting the number of white blood cells in the body, which in turn makes the immune system more effective. The seventh health benefit of clove is that a clove may help in treating cancer. Clove is supposed to have anti-cancer impact because of the possible antioxidant activity it has. It is possible that the presence of oleonic acid is responsible for the anti-tumor effect. In addition to this, it has been shown to have anti-cancer action against cancer cells of the colorectal, breast, and leukemia types. For there to be sufficient evidence to support cloves' usage against cancer in people, large-scale human trials are necessary. And as a result of this, it is strongly suggested that you comply with the treatment and advice that your oncologist provides for cancer. Even though there are studies that demonstrate the positive effects of clove in a variety of circumstances, these studies are inadequate, and further research is required to determine the full scope of the positive effects clove has on human health. And for the last health benefit, clove can prevent the graying of hair. The following is an approach you may take to solve the issue by using the advantages of clove oil. It has a few unusual components that encourage the body to produce more of the pigment that's essential to maintaining the natural color of the hair. Your scalp and hair will benefit from a massage with a combination of 3 tablespoons of eucalyptus oil and 1 teaspoon of clove oil twice a week. There are many benefits to including cloves in your diet. Not only do they add a delicious flavor to your food, but they also have many potential health benefits. Studies have shown that cloves can help boost immunity, relieve pain, and even fight cancer. So the next time you're looking for a way to spice up your meal, be sure to reach for the cloves. Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to see our latest health food content.